Outline the function and role of the cortex basal ganglia loop in motor learning. This is a pretty complex schematic, but essentially what you're looking at is the motor system in the middle with the pre-SMA in the motor cortex sending signals to the motor cortex directly, which leads to motor output. What's being proposed is that there are two loops that help govern motor learning. The first loop is the loop that involves these motor regions and the basal ganglia. Now, the basal ganglia plays a role in spatial sequence learning, so the spatial characteristics of the movement, and the actual motor sequence, so the firing of motor neurons to move the limb through space. And the basal ganglia has associative areas, which are more tied to the spatial sequence, and motor areas, which are more tied to the motor sequence. Where this is important and what distinguishes this loop is this is learning that is driven by reward prediction errors, the very things that we've been talking about throughout this course. It also seems to be sensitive to novelty in the early stages of learning.